Guys, Miguel here with a quick video. This is how I made a hose connection with a faucet supply line using a faucet supply line hose adapter. I'll put a link on the description for this guy. Basically what I need this for is to rinse out a warehouse. Usually I do this when I clean my Graco paint sprayer, and when I have to clean out a warehouse and don't have a hose connection. And pretty much the pressure is not the same, but that's just because of the size of the supply line. But pretty much this is what I needed for to get all the grease out. I've been soaking it in degreaser all night, and pretty much just to get some of the dust out. Hope this video is helpful. And that's what I do to get a hose connection from a supply line. So I'll put the link on the description on what the connection of that is. Another important thing is to have a little bit of slack over here, and don't yank on that sucker because something bad might happen over there. But yeah. Hopefully this video is helpful. Thanks for watching.